Good morning and happy July 4th and happy birthday, America 250. This is Fred here at the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh. I wanted to give you all a quick update given the threat for severe storms this afternoon and given all the events and activities that are going on, especially with fireworks later this evening across many communities. First and foremost, we'll start off with the heat risk. So again, this will be the fourth consecutive day for most of the region to be in the 90s. Looking like the heat risk, again, really confined to the urban areas around the city of Pittsburgh and then down towards the northern and West Virginia panhandle and parts of southeastern Ohio. Relief north of Interstate 80 today as the heat risk falls back into the moderate category. And then the trend over for Sunday and then into Monday is for the heat risk again to continue to fall back to the orange coding, which is level 2, which is moderate. So 2 categories below where we are today. And that trend continues on Monday as well as lower humidity slightly and temperatures fall back. So, for example, today the max heat index across our region will be in the mid-90s north of Interstate 80, then around 100 to 105 across much of the region outside the western PA, southwest PA mountains and northern West Virginia mountains. Tomorrow and then Monday, heat indexes fall back into the mid-90s. And so, again, the temperatures are still going to be warm, above normal, mid to upper 80s. But, again, the heat indexes won't be in the triple-digit values, and we'll drop these heat headlines after today. So the current radar is relatively quiet across our region. We're looking at showers developing here across parts of western Ohio. And that's what we'll be monitoring here for the next couple hours. Especially into the early afternoon hours to see where these storms form. And as they develop, they'll be moving east into our region. So it's going to have an impact on outdoor picnics and events that are going on across our communities. So again, here's the Storm Prediction Center outlook. I want to call your attention to this yellow area here. That's the time window between 5 p.m. and about 9:30, 10 p.m. of the greatest risk for severe weather. We're looking at wind as a primary threat, down trees and power lines. With these storms today, not to mention frequent lightning and heavy rain. Those are the categories and the impacts that we're looking for. Again, of course, it's right during that sweet window here in terms of when a lot of the evening events go off with fireworks at dusk between 9 and 10 p.m. Just to give you an idea kind of what we're looking at timing-wise. So here's kind of like one computer model's forecast for this afternoon. So this is at 3 p.m., this is at 4 p.m., so you're starting to see more and more showers develop across the region. This is 5 p.m., 6 p.m., so you can see showers and storms moving into the Pittsburgh metro area, already going on across northern West Virginia and parts of Interstate 70 in Ohio. We do think along Interstate 80 and north, there won't be as much coverage as there was yesterday, so we're focused south of there today. This is at 7, 8, and 9, so things still kind of are pretty active as we go into the fireworks hour here. And by 10 p.m., as we lose the sun, the activity will wane as we go through the evening hours. So, in summary, if you have outdoor plans today, especially after 3 p.m., between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m., that's when you need to stay weather aware. If you see a flash, take a dash, and then if you get down trees from a storm, again, please report them here to the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh. So with that, this concludes the briefing. Hope everyone has a great 4th of July, and we'll talk to you soon.